Run the money and everything. Everything we want to run. Me man, I mean. Everything we want to run. Everything, hello boo. Everything we want to run. Hey.
Releasing dopamine.
Vlog world, I'm gonna mash up some food right now. Thanks to my best friend for making me dinner. She's so nice. Thank you, Sheri Psynos. You're the greatest best friend in the world. I love you.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Sheng Yang anthem.
Yeah man, so we're going vlog world. So the beach kinda blown off still. We there at one beach. Yo Mackie, what that picture name again? Mommy? Bamboo Blue. Bamboo Blue. With the Bamboo Blue beach. Where that kind of watch it? Miami Bay. Yeah? Miami Bay. So yeah, we're there, see? People around. And we're just there. Nice little spot and things, see? Yeah. So we're there. A bit of vibes. Restaurant and food and people there, you know what I mean? Yeah, so there we're gonna look for bridging and enjoy ourselves. Yeah, so we're there. Nice little spot. Oh snaps, my bro here. Mackie up in the building. The breeze up blow. Mackie up in the building. Doctor, I'm sorry. Sir, pick up yourself.
Releasing dopamine. Releasing dopamine.
I can't drink soup with this.
They have the bigger one that I use for
what? Here, right? Is that right? So what you use it? What's the purpose of it?
just scoop rice.
Just scoop rice.
Oh no, the ice.
The ice spoon, not the rice
Work
spoon.
with. So what's up vlog world? So I'm here. Chilling, it's kinda getting just a little bit cold right now. Yeah. And the peeps hanging. Sheri Psynos up in the building. Yeah. All the peeps up in the building. So hello man.
Hey!
Beautiful people, you what's up, bro? Gang. Yeah, so we're here. Guys, chit chat. Yeah, we're gonna take a picture.
What's golden?
For thumbnail. Yeah, so beautiful day guys. Follow!
Bruh.
Yes. I know they're gone. And she's shy. And she runs. Where's she going? They have to get used to it. That's every day.
Give me 1 second of camera time. I'm not as good looking.
Go vlog world. So I know the breeze kind of blowing a lot in the background. So if you guys can hear me, we're just there chill. Hope you guys enjoy the day. Me and everybody here and the whole peeps. Yeah. And we are in Ocherios. I was just taking the day easy. But let's just take a walk and I just want to talk with you guys just a tiny bit to let you guys know that yo, is anything in life that you want to pursue or want to do, I believe that you guys should do it. Follow your passion and follow your dreams, as I am going to, well, I just made that decision to follow my dreams. So I advise you guys that you should do it. Plan it well before you take on something.
Big up to Jeremy, you know. Big you to the sinner. No, big up. Yeah.
Alright. Big up yourself, Matthew. Yeah, that's my virgin, aka my family. But I just want you guys to know that follow your dreams, follow your passion. Do what you love and do it with all of your heart. At the end of the day, it's all about what makes you happy as a person. You know, and I really and truly just wish that you guys, or everybody, find their true dream.
Bruh.
You alright?
Yeah, man. Bob Marley, one love.
Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, man. So I just truly believe that everybody will follow their passion and just find their purpose in life and just pursue it wholeheartedly and with all their heart, and just be happy, just as I am taking that leap of faith right now, as I said, to pursue my dream and my passion or what I love and just be happy. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and remember, in everything that you do, prayer is important. So just pray, because God is real. You know what I mean? Work hard, believe, and have faith. And yeah, that's my 1 and 2 cents. Alright, Team Psynos, so just go on journey with your boy. Is it?
Everything turn up for me friend, them not fi worry.
That's the one time he left foreign and come to Jamaica. Go back in the damn country. Nigga, please. This nigga got foreign one time. I'm feel like he's a foreigner. Nigga, please stop it, Matthew.
Wanna find the
Guys.
Wanna find the furthest one?
Oh my God. Guys, are we at the Giddy house? This is so tilted. Look at this. Oh my God. Ain't that the beach? Look over there, vlog world. So beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful, man. Let's go, vlog world. So I ask
Actually,
Matthew,
what I love about this watch, when I go to the gym,
to mix this for me.
when I go to the gym, it pick up.
And the man them ram this up with beer Appleton. They want to turn me in a rummet.
If I'm
I
lifting
will
weights,
not turn rummet.
I don't know how it does that.
Look for Mackie one.
But mine's water, yours is Pepsi.
I look on this. That one is heavy, you know. But care about this. Hey man, there's a lot of people down there up on the cruise ship. Look on all of them. Yeah, that's very beautiful, vlog world. I know you guys can't see properly. But let me tell you something, guys, that you don't know. I actually born in Ocherius. Yep.
You're born in Ocherius?
Yep. And I moved to Kingston when I was 1. I guess, so yeah.
So which hospital you're born in?
I don't remember that place probably shut down.
Oh, you're born in a house?
Bruh.
No.
You never born in a house? You know, like them...
Vlog world, ignore Mackie Psynos, yeah? Vlog world, they are mash up some food. Consume some food, is it? You know what I mean? Tastes alright and thing. Jerk chicken and rice with some vegetable and some chew juice, cherry juice and thing. And thing over there. You know what I mean? I want to take it easy and thing. And then I'm usually playing at the background and I want to get the copyright, so big up and later. So I'll go and vlog around me there. Like bright, but I don't know what the thing said. So with the on my way, I head back in now from Ochi. Foreign. You know what I mean? So yeah. My belly full little bit and thing. I try kind of talk over the rhythm because I know Michael Jackson get my money. You know what I mean? So yeah, he get my little piece of money and thing. But while I was there, still riding. And when I just go on journey with the boy, it's been an eventful day. And they will just go and chill and do a thing and thing, I say it. But big up on yourself, guys, and just continue to stay focused. And remember that nothing can stop you because God is your rock. Whoop, whoop.
Everything turn up for me friend, them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them kind of curry. Lick up on the table where the cup, they beg you hurry. With a story, now me brain me get tired, make me